Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. In today's video, I'll be cleaning my kitchen. That is everyday cleaning routine. As you can see, it's messy. So let's clean it up. Hope you'll enjoy and you'll be inspired to clean your kitchen.
Last I got that sinking in my stomach from that love. Of course it's got me thinking's got me flummoxed from the cause. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded. I just wanna know why some of us are haunted. 'Cause in the skies, all we ever wanted. All of us got distracted by the trees inside the forest. 'Cause I was never ready for this. So I can tell where my heart is. Know it's all in for this. So I can tell where my heart is. Know it's all in for this. Fast I get those feelings weighing heavy on my heart. It's hard to find the reasons here for everything gone wrong. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded. I just wanna know why some of us are haunted. 'Cause in the skies, all we ever wanted. All of us got distracted by the trees inside the forest. 'Cause I was never ready for this. So I can tell where my heart is. Know it's all in for this. So I can tell where my heart is. Know it's all in for this.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been I've been high.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or under her type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. Getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Until next time, bye.